Month since the deaths of elderly patients in a hot South Florida nursing home. All this after Irma. The Hollywood Hills nursing home laid off more than 200 employees, and now Florida lawmakers filed a bill aiming to protect the elderly and vulnerable when the power goes out. Contact 5 investigator Katie LaGrone first exposed the weakness in Florida's law and now brings us new details.
It became the tragedy from Hurricane Irma in Florida. A dozen elderly patients falling victim to the sweltering heat of living inside a nursing home without power for days. Nearly a month after this horrific scene in Hollywood Hills helped expose how nursing homes across the state are not considered priorities for power restoration, Florida Representative Sean Harrison filed a bill this morning to change that.
What might be a priority in one county for hospitals or nursing homes to come back online after a disaster may not be a priority in the very next county over.
Instead, Harrison's bill would make it state law. When the power goes out, power companies must respond first to critical facilities, including hospitals and nursing homes.
I was shocked to learn that hospitals did not have priority from a statewide perspective. We had heard during Hurricane Irma that they did, and I think that's something that needs to be addressed from a statewide public safety issue.
While the specifics of this bill, including how much time power companies would have to restore electricity in these facilities, still needs to be figured out, the bill is among the state's aggressive reaction to what happened at this South Florida nursing home and its promise something like this never happens here again. The filing of this bill just the first step in what Representative Harrison knows will be a long road ahead. Meantime, that Hollywood Hills nursing home has shut down. All 245 of its employees laid off. Katie LaGrone, back to you.